Hey guys, welcome back. This is how to fix Samsung microwave. So guys, first just simply disconnect from power for safety and unplug the microwave. And now we just simply go ahead and wipe the keypad gently with a dry microfiber cloth. And if sticky residue is present, lightly dampen the cloth with water and never spray it directly. So guys, this error 5E means it's stuck or shortened keypad button. Now, just simply plug the microwave back in after 1 to 2 minutes and test the buttons. And guys, also you could check for moisture. So if it happened after cooking something steamy, leave the microwave door open for an hour to let moisture evaporate. Now, if the error remains, just simply contact a Samsung support to fix this issue. Thanks for watching.